Avoiding high Nubis. It's going pretty good. I wish I knew how to play Brig. I watch Pro Player all the time and I still don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Hi, Gundam. Oh, I was muted, sorry.
A Grit Gundam, really pushing the hydration agenda hard. Fine, plot, drink water before they organize a protest.
Our minds are shackled.
I was saying, I wish I knew how to play Brig.
Stick together. Let me take the hit.
And now I have hiccups.
Welcome to Club Dominagu.
No unnecessary risks.
Ow.
Your worth is a hypothesis. Prove it.
So, don't take it personally when I get the most kills, okay?
I know Brig is similar to Rhine, but I also don't play Rhine.
One. Attack commence.
You cannot escape me.
Imagine not realizing they were gonna do that.
Enemy turret within my sight. Preparing your Senator. Can I hear you, yes?
Ow.
At least. Enhancing your guidance. Enemy turret within my sight. You're a marvel.
Behind you.
Receive my aid. Enemy turret within my sight.
Rebel.
You will be renewed.
There's a junker behind you.
New record.
Point.
Over here.
I'm on My duty is being done.
Ow.
Really, Orion?
Can I kick it? Yes, you can.
Can I kick it? Which book?
Can I kick it? Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
Gary!
If you loved me, you wouldn't play these games all day.
Can you please knock next time?
Gary, are you in danger?
I'm going to Riyadh for the World Cup.
The more matches you own, the more games you own, the more you're in a league of your own. You're not only one step closer to owning this and this. You're one step closer to owning the future.
We're starting our descent into Surmajan International Airport.
And being remembered forever.
Tactical visor active.
I'm payload princessing.
God, fucking Lifeweaver gets him out of there.
Come to me and I will be over here. I require assistance.
I need heals. I don't have any more. I'm sorry, Walby. I have no more.
You're fine.
Ow. Fuck me, I stepped in the cum.
The payload has reached.
For the Crusaders!
Oh, thanks for the revive, Mercy.
I've got meds. Who needs them? That warms the bones.
I'm on fire! What else is new?
No, oh, don't do that.
Enemy turret.
That feast.
Watch your face.
Plot, are you okay?
No. Oh.
Stay out of my way. Tactical visor activated.
That was your last warning.
Well, fuck.
Complete. Score 3-3. Switching sides.
Ow. Sorry. Shut up.
It's funny as I hear it twice because I have your stream unmuted.
How do you do that? Turn it off. Shut up, Anubis!
More field research.
They're getting worse.
Shut the fuck up!
I'd rather wait a century for progress than cause the harm you have.
And like, you can even see on the model, like it just like slings my body backwards. Ow!
4,
They're hurt. They hurt.
1. Attackers in.
They sound painful.
They are.
Stop the payload.
Oh, in here, in here, in here. All three turrets are gone.
They teleported behind just so they can Ryan charge.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Very infrequent hiccups, but they last sometimes. Sometimes I just get one hiccup. That's it. And then other times it's like this. Oi, oi, oi. Cyber, thank you for the follow.
Welcome to the underwater chaos with Plot. Dive in and enjoy the craziness.
It's just Ryan, it's just Ryan, it's just Ryan.
I need healing.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Hi. Hi, PG.
Hi.
Round 3 complete. Score 3-4. Switching sides.
I know I've been healing and fucking murdering my ass off. I'm doing my best. You had hiccups for 8 hours? I would literally go to the hospital. They hurt.
You owe it to the fish with all those.
Ayato.
Ayato 370. Welcome to the underwater
Thank you for the
madness
follow.
with Plot.
Try again.
Embrace the chaos and enjoyed the show.
Making much progress through all that red tape.
It's called the Hippocratic Oath, Doctor. Ring any bells?
Ow.
Yeah.
Safety's off. It's a cruel world out there.
I see a Zen.
4, 3,
Ryan.
2, 1.
Hi, Silky.
Escort the payload.
Recover your strength.
Torb. Did you get the turrets?
Hey, now there's still Zen in our right.
I tried. Okay. No, I've had hiccups for like 5 minutes.
Time again to try again. Easily made manifest. Something more.
Three on. Come on. Okay, we got 3. You can go forward. Fuck. I'm done.
Its destination.
If what works. Fine.
Voidy Blade, another one on the hydration.
You know what your shield doesn't do?
Drink water before they lead a
Fuck with me. Fuck yes! I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you, little man. What did you say? We worked our ass off for that one. Wolfie with 23. Hey, damn, it's 52 elims. She's crazy.
Play of the game.
I expected no less.
above. Yep.
You wanna go play Once Human?
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
We did our part.
That game was good, but like...
Wolfie.
I don't know how to help you.
Ow. I sound like a squeaky toy. It broke my tracking. No, I'm not a squeaky toy. You can squeeze me though and find out. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. I'll fight you.
I squeeze you. With a hug.
Got my hopes up so quick. Oh, fuck. I'm not giving you guys a free jump scare redeem. Fuck you. I know what you're trying to do. Don't smack me. Oh, hey, fix my tracking. We were playing comp. And you know I'm picky about comps. Oh. Hold on. Wolfie?
Hmm? What? Oh.
There's the jump scare.
It didn't work though.
It didn't work. Oi, oi, oi! Oi, oi, oi! Fuck! I got a new outfit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm super. Fuck. I'm so cute in the game. That's a sound. No, not this one. But I do owe you guys a new outfit. A CP time outfit. And I have 3 new outfits and a non-outfit for the new thing. Just saying. Here's the new outfit. Here, let me turn myself off for a sec. That way you can see it. Okay, so here's the new outfit. Gundam, don't look at me! And the thigh highs, I know! They're so good! Oh, God. Don't do this to me! Wait! Is it over? Is it the balding? Is that what needed to happen? Okay. Okay.
I guess so.
So I redid my house a little bit.